Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Zaful lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 28 inches long and it's a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. The hair came in this package right here and it also comes with a wig cap. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I install this. Very easy, very straightforward. And today I'm trying the ebony lace glue for the first time, so yeah, we find out how that works well for me. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. The wave pattern is amazing, guys. I love the wave pattern, and the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you are the type that like baby hair, you are in for a treat. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also comes with an adjustable strap as well, and as you can tell, the waves are popping. Like, I love the wave pattern of the hair. So moving on to the installation, what I did is very simple and very straightforward. I cut the excess lace from the hair tab first, just to be sure that the hair is, accurate on both sides. And I adjusted the hair and then, lift the lace off up and apply the ebony lace glue on my forehead. Not my forehead. Anyway, all the places I was gonna place it, lace. So everything I did is self-explanatory, really. So yep, I applied 2 layers of the glue and then I waited for the glue to turn invisible, then placed the hair exactly where I applied the glue and then comb it backward, just to secure the hair on the glue. But as always, probably because I'm used to using the ebony spray, I just like it for some reason, especially this black one. It just give me that extra security, if that makes sense. So I applied that on the areas where I applied the glue, and then comb the hair back, then apply my elastic band just to secure the hair or lay the hair flat. So yeah, then a few moments later I took off the elastic band and voila, I love the airline of the hair. The hair has been pre-plucked straight out of the box, so you don't have to worry about anything or such. But before applying the wig, I actually sprayed the lace tint, the color medium, on the lace just to give it a natural look. So I cut off the excess lace. What I thought I should have done for this hair was to do a boot cap method, but at the end of the day it doesn't really matter, because obviously the style that I opted for was not showing the cap as it was at the beginning. So yeah, I went for a side part. You guys already know I'm a huge fan of side parts for some reason. I don't know. I just enjoy wearing side parts. I think it frames my face really well. So yeah, I applied the Kerikeri stick on the parts just to accentuate the part, then spray the icy, heat protection spray, then use my hot comb to further melt the hair and give it that flat profile, if that makes sense. Yeah, so yeah, I did that on the other side as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, is a 13 by 6 lace frontal wig, meaning you can pat it anywhere just like your own natural hair. I really like this hair. It's very soft and it's very silky to touch. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever, and I'm still wearing the hair as I speak right now. I love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair is also true to length as well. To be honest with you guys, I never knew that Zaful also sell wigs or hair at all. I always thought they were like clothing brands, and I was surprised. So yeah, I was really surprised, and to be honest, I'm quite impressed with the quality of this hair. Like, seriously, I've been rocking the hair for like 2 weeks now. Yeah. I know, right? My laptop was having a hiccup, so I couldn't edit the video in time for you guys. But yeah, I've been rocking the hair for 2 weeks and I am loving it. It's still exactly the same as the first day. To be fair, I haven't experienced any shedding at all. No tangling, no shedding whatsoever. And the length of the hair is perfection. I love the length of the hair. It's like one of my favorite longest hair, to be fair. And I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well. If you can tell, as you can tell from this video, the hair took to curls really well. And I love the fact that I didn't have to wait like ages, using the one day. It was like few seconds and the curls were popping, like popping. If you're not sure of what I'm doing right here, all I'm doing was just wrapping the hair around the wand away from my face, and I waited for the hair to cool down a bit before dropping the hair, just to keep the curls intact. Yeah, so I did the same on the other side as well. It's very straightforward and very easy, and I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well. That's why I had to use a long wand or a bigger wand, because of the length of the hair. So you have nothing to worry about when it comes to the curl pattern of the hair or the length of the hair. Everything is actually giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, as always, you comb the hair to detangle it. It's not tangled anyway, but it's just the normal process for me to comb my hair. And then spray your heat protection spray. That is extremely important. Guys, another thing I love about this hair is the lace. The lace melted into my skin effortlessly. And people were asking, like, hold on, Lillian, is this your hair? Yeah, it's my hair. Trust me, it's mine. But it's actually Zaful lace frontal wig. The lace of the wig is super duper easy to work with, very soft, and it melted effortlessly into my skin. Guys, I love the lace of this wig, and I love the fact that everything looks really natural, not wiggy at all, not wiggy, so natural. And you guys will be seeing more of this in my upcoming videos, because I am a huge fan, like a huge fan. In terms of the shipping of the hair, it took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, which for me is just really amazing. Their shipping was really quick, and I love the fact that the hair actually curls really well, and the fact that they have amazing styles on their website. If you visit their website, you see synthetic styles, you see human hairstyle, you see lace frontal wig, you see lace closure wig. They have all types of hair length, colors and styles on their website, which for me is really amazing. And the most amazing thing about them is the fact that they always have offers on their website, which for me is also a bonus in case you want to try their hair or their clothing or anything like that. You'd always find a coupon code on their website. And yeah, I would check if I could get one for you guys, and if not, feel free to visit their website. There's always something there for you and your loved ones to save some coin. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, all I'm doing is just curling the hair away from my face, and I did the same thing on this side as well. Very easy, very straightforward, and we are done, guys. We are done. So I applied the Fenty Beauty powder on the parts just to make it look natural, and voila, guys, what do you think? I love this hair. I love how gorgeous the curls turned out, and I love the fact that the quality of the hair is a plus for me. So in terms of the quality of the hair, guys, you already know it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of how easy it is to install the hair and how easy the lace melted into my skin, is definitely a plus for me. I am really, really impressed. I really couldn't believe that I could get a gorgeous hair like this from a clothing brand. But yeah, I love it. I'm still wearing the hair as I said, and I am still feeling myself. Look at that. Look at that. Bear in mind that the hair is 100% human hair, meaning you can curl it, you can dye it, you can bleach it, you can do whatever you like to this hair, just like your own natural hair. We are done, guys. Make sure you check out, the website or the description below for more details, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day or night or wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.